Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Guys, so I am heading downstairs to start cook dinner. Woo. Oh my goodness. Well, yeah. So you have a cook in all of this. Eh? Oh, you want to help me kill me too? Come out of the way. You're disgusting, like. Oh my gosh. So far I have this thing on. Well, obviously I'm still able to breathe properly. I need some tea.
It worked.
It worked? Oh, you figured it out? Okay, that's good. I'm going to start seasoning up my meat. And hubby's making us breakfast.
Mario, I wanted to use the stove because I want to make grilled cheese.
I already eat.
In the kitchen.
Yo, yeah, go pay me for grilled cheese with teeth then.
Mom, there's no bread left.
What do you mean there's no bread left? I just bought bread.
I used 4 last night.
Really?
Mario take 2, not 4 meals. Mario take 2 of them last night. So 4 meat. That's only 2 meals. Cause Mario take me on that grilled cheese.
Y'all, you know y'all a bunch of greedy people.
So
What do you mean there's no bread? And the other day when I look how much bread we bought and I thrown out because they started molding.
Okay, yeah.
So and at the time I buy one bread, everybody eat off the bread. I always buy how much bread in the house and then they end up going to waste.
Yeah, but you
and then the
only
day
bought,
I
like, 2
decide to buy one bread because I was like, there's no point in me buying like two bread because they're making the breads go to waste. They eat off all the bread. And now they tell me they eat.
Mommy, you should have bought 2 or 3.
I bought 2 of those last time.
Okay,
and
well
they
then
went to
it's
waste.
But enough for me. Only 1 plate alone me that I'm in I think I really didn't wash the plate. So I wanted a break from washing the plate. So I never
take a break from eating too.
So I take a break from eating too.
Hey guys, what's up? Oh, you take a break from washing the plate.
Because I wash plate
You
all
don't
the
use plate every day?
No.
Okay.
And all the time you use plates. And when I use my plates, I wash them out. Come to get tired of just wash plates. So I decided not to. Yeah, because I didn't want to anymore. Alright. I didn't want to wash the plates. So I just didn't. Because I was going to get up and wash mine. And then they're cold. My feet are cold. Guys, I don't know them. Mayo. Yeah? The thing. Where are you going? Mom, Mario's leaving. Mommy, Dad's leaving. No. Can you grab the best?
I'm dancing while I'm cutting my meat, guys. It's for your soul when you're running slow.
There's a girl is walking with the time for you. Let me find the one you are fucked up too.
Okay, tell Marie, tell Marie, catch up. I'm making beef for dinner. Some beef.
It's like you never did appreciate this. Now we look like you, but you look like say you might go get rich. You just prove yourself to be another. But tell yourself I love you till death. You didn't know we just a fuck up when they show you respect. And now like you don't know me, I'm a man still.
original. Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a coming, me a wanna take her.
Sex alone. If you can't even give me your advice, if you can't bring something to the table, this ship is about to sink right now. But yeah, guys, so I'm just here cooking and vibes into some music. As you can see, enough hit the books. I have an assignment that is due in 2 days, and I haven't started it yet. But your girl's gonna get it done because my ass have to get it done. So I'm about to do that, and my bloody camera battery is about to die. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go do that now, and yeah, guys, I will be back. I'll make some tea. I feel like some ginger tea, so I'm finally going to go do that now as well. So I'll be back because the battery's dying, and yeah. Finishing my assignment, as you can see, and the kids are just at the table. I'm about to dish dinner so we can eat because your girl is hungry, and yeah, so I am pretty much, yeah, and that's dinner there. So I'm pretty much I think after this we're just gonna hang out and watch some movies. Probably got work tomorrow, and pretty much we're back in the swing of things for the week. So that is all that, oh, I'm sorry. So that is all that we're doing, and yeah, back to school I go for another day. Well, I'm off tomorrow. Yeah, I still don't have school. I have school until Tuesday, so yeah, that's about it. I'm probably gonna, yeah, so we're probably just gonna end up just watching some shows or not doing anything else. But I just wanted to come by and end this vlog and to say thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, let me know what you think. We love connecting with you guys, and we do read all the comments that are left. So, and I wanted to actually give you guys an update. So when we get to our milestone of having 1,000 subscribers, we are actually doing a giveaway. We will let you guys know when that giveaway will be and what it is. So when we reach it, when we reach that milestone, we will definitely inform you guys on what it takes to win that giveaway and the details and what it will be. So stay tuned, I guess, for that when we reach that milestone. And thank you for all the new subscribers that have subscribed and people that have come up and said hi to us. Don't be shy. I'm a shy person, but I will address you when I do see you in public. So yes, and I also want to say thank you for all the other subscribers that have come up and said hi to us as well when they see us in public. Don't be shy to come up and say hi to us, guys. So I'm just gonna end this vlog here, and yeah, I will talk to you all in the next one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys. Peace.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. A blessing. Simple things are your blessing. and you no notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and